Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Today students, today we have to learn checking subtraction with addition because on last day we have learned subtraction fact and subtracting regrouping 110 to 10 ones, subtraction with regrouping and subtracting from numbers ending with 0 and subtracting a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. And also we have learned subtracting from numbers ending with 1 and using subtraction to compare. And today our topic is checking subtraction with addition, and there is an example. Let's see an example. What is it? That is, there is an example. Rajiv has 49 color pencil and he took out 24 color pencil. How many color pencils are left? Okay, so you have to find Rajiv has 49 color pencils and he took out Rajiv has 29 color pencils. Rajiv has 29 color pencils and 49 color pencils. Rajiv has 49 color pencils and he took out, that is 49. And he took out 24 color pencils. 24 color pencils. He took out 24 color pencils. And how many color pencils are left? How many color pencils? How many color pencils are left? Okay, now you know that there is Rajiv has 49 color pencils and he took out 24 color pencils. And when we subtract a number, you know that we subtract a smaller number. We subtract a smaller number from bigger number. We subtract a smaller number from bigger number and we find difference of this number. Okay, and when we subtract the smaller number from bigger number, we find difference. Okay, and now we know that firstly we have to subtract 24 from 49 to find how many color pencils are left. So we have to subtract 24 from 49. That is 9 minus 4, that is 5, and 4 minus 2, 25. You know that 25 color pencils are left. What will be answer? 25 color pencils. 25 color pencils are left, because you know that if you find how many color pencils are left, then you have to subtract 24, that is a smaller number, from 49, that is bigger number. And what is 25? 25 is the difference of these two numbers, and 25 is the 25 color pencils are left. And is my answer correct? Is my answer correct? Is my answer is correct? Can you identify is my answer is correct? Then you have to verify to check the answer. Add the difference to the smaller number. Add the difference difference to the add the difference to the smaller number, add the difference to the smaller number, add the difference to the smaller number. To check the answer, add the difference to the smaller number. So that is difference. The formula will be difference plus smaller number. The formula will be difference plus smaller number, difference plus smaller number, difference plus smaller number, that is bigger number. Difference plus smaller number, that is bigger number. When we add difference and smaller number, that should become bigger number as answer. Okay, when we add smaller number and difference, the sum will be equal to the bigger number. Okay, so let's check the answer. That is, what is difference? Difference is the 25. 25 is the difference, so 25. And what is the smaller number? The smaller number is 24. When we add 24 and 25 and 5 4 9 and 2 2 4, that is 49, and 49 is the bigger number. Okay, so when we add difference and smaller number, it should become equal to bigger number. And now Rajiv has again got 49 color pencils. So his answer is correct. His answer is correct. Okay, note it down and you can take a screenshot for letter writing. Okay, and now come on the next topic, that is the question, that is subtract. That is exercise 3.3. Subtract and check the answer. Subtract and check the answer by addition. Subtract and check the answer by addition. Okay, that is question number first is question number 1, that is 38 minus 11, and here we have to check it. Okay, we have to check it here, and that is 38 minus 11, 8 minus 1, 7, and 3 minus 1, that is 2. And that is when we add difference and a smaller number, that is 27, and a smaller number is 11, it should become equal to bigger number, and that is 718 and 213, and 3 is the bigger number. Okay, when we subtract 11 from 38, that is 27 and 27, this is the difference. And when we add difference and a smaller number, difference is the 27 and a smaller number is 11, it should become equal to bigger number, that is 48. Now come on the next question. Now come on the next question, that is question number 2. 49 minus 90, 49 minus 90, 9 minus 9 is 0, 3 minus 1 2. The difference is 20. And when we add when we add difference and a smaller number, difference is 20 and smaller number is 90. It should become equal to greater number, that is 49. Okay, that is check. That is check. And when we subtract 19 from 39, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 3 minus 1 20. And when we add difference, that is 20, and a smaller number 19, it should become equal to greater number, that is 49. Okay, now come on the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is 46 minus 20. 46 minus 20. 6 minus 0, that is 6. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, and now that is difference, and when we add difference and a smaller number, that will be equal to bigger number, that is 46. Okay, now the next question is, that is question number 4. That is question number 4 is 58 minus 49. 58 minus 49. 18 minus 9, 9, that will be 18. 18 minus 9, 9, and there will be 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 19 is the difference, and when we add difference and a smaller number, that is 49, we find bigger number, that is 9, 9, 18, 1 carry, and 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, that is 58. Okay, 58 is the bigger number. Okay, and now come on the next question, that is question number 5. That is question number 5 is 75 minus 38. 75 minus 38. 15 minus 8. That was 8. And also that was check. 75 minus 38. 15 minus 8, 7. And 6 minus 3, 3. That is difference is 47. And a smaller number is 48. 8, 7, 50. 1 carry. And 3, 3, 1. 3, 3, 6, 1, 7. That is 75 is the bigger number. Okay, and the next question is, that is question number 6, and question number 6 is 64 minus 56. 64 minus 56. 14 minus 6, that is 8, and 5 minus 5, 0, and 8 is the difference. When we add difference and a smaller number, that is 56. When we add difference and a smaller number, it should become equal to bigger numbers. 8, 6, 40, 5, 1, 6, that is 64. Okay, and 64 is the bigger number. And now come on question number 7. 7 is 91 minus 66. 91 minus 66. 11 minus 6, 5, and 8 minus 6, 2. 25 is the difference, and when we add 25 and 66, that is 6, 5, 11, 1 carry, 2, 6, 8, 1, 9, that is 91, and 91 is the bigger number. Question number 8, and what is question number 8? That is 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50. 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 4, 40. 40 is the difference. When we add 40 and 50, that is a smaller number, it should become equal to bigger number, that is 90. And that was check for this subtraction. And now the next question is subtract to find a pattern. Subtract to find a pattern. The next question is subtract to find a pattern. Question number B, subtract to find a pattern. subtract to find a pattern. That is, question number 1 is 7, 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, 1. Question number 1 is 12 minus 7, that is 5. 22 minus 7, that is 50. And 32 minus 7, that is 25. 32 minus 7, that is 25. And 42 minus 7, 45. 42 minus 7, 45. And 52 minus 7, that is 45. And the question number second is, that is 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8, 16. 34 minus 8, 26. 44 minus 8, 36. 54 minus 8, 46. 64 minus 8, that is 56. And the third question is, that is question number 3. 51 minus 9. 51 minus 9, 42. And 61 minus 9, 52. 71 minus 9, 62. 82 minus 9, 72. And 92 minus 9, that is 82. You can see here that is a pattern: 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. All the differences is everywhere is 10. 68, 26, 36, 46, 56, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. Thank you for watching the video. Keep support me and stay at home and keep healthy.